Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you this very easy Diwali makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I am taking this Nykaa foundation and applying it all over my face with the help of my fingers, and then I am taking this brush to blend the foundation into my skin. This foundation is also very good, provides medium to buildable coverage. You can apply this foundation as per your own according preference. Then I am taking this blender to remove the excess product from all over my face, and then I am taking this Inside Cosmetics concealer and applying it on the usual areas of my face where I want to highlight, and then I am blending this concealer with the help of a concealer brush, and then it performs wonderfully. Now this concealer is just for rupees I think 200 or something, and it does a great job. It is very beautiful concealer and it lasts a very long amount of time, and I really like this concealer very much. I will highly recommend this concealer if you are looking under a budget. And then I am bronzing my face with the ITEX Dazzler Compact Powder, and then I am applying blush on the usual areas of my face, and then I am just applying highlighter, and with the help of same eyeshadow I am going to apply it all over my eyes, and then taking the same highlighter I am going to apply it the inner third corner of my eyes, and then taking some blue eyeshadow I am applying a eyeshadow liner. With the help of the liner I am going to line my lips. This is Swiss Beauty eyeliner, and taking some red lipstick I am going to dab red lipstick on my lips. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Bye guys.